What are they doing now, Pops? What is this that they're doing?
It's the borehole for the water.
Hi, this is Cindy Marvelous. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.
That's what they call it, a borehole. It's like a well,
Yeah.
and that's where we get water, and we do have to depend on the government water. Off the grid, by water is not.
Ah. So how do they know that water is down there?
They test it first and analyze it first. But now they know it's there because they can see from the different color. You're gonna see all the sun that's coming up have a different color.
Ah.
You see this? Look. See one red, see one brown. All of them have a different color. And they'll know. I'm not sure that's it.
So we are here today, getting our borehole, getting water. Hopefully we'll find water, so that way we don't have to depend on the government for water. And this is the way that they do it. They have dug the land even further. Oh, that was a tree that I was under, and there's no more hill. It's now a steep incline. Kind of missed the hill, but that's all right. That was a tree that I think I was under. It could have been that one. No, it was this one, and my mom was under that one. We still kept a coconut tree and a palm tree. Love it. And one half the lime tree, but that's all right. And that's still not a road, that's still our property. Will we get water? they're still at the site and they're still digging. They've gone through about maybe 13 or so poles. I'm not quite sure. But unfortunately, not yet. We still haven't dug water. But the night's still young. Meanwhile, I'm enjoying the cool breeze and the views and the sound of hope. Keep hope alive. Damn, this food is good. Go in it, do like a real Ghanaian. Go in it, father. Yeah. With a Hawaiian shirt. Yeah. Yes, sir. Mommy, use your hand now. Cheers, guys, everybody. Ah, more beer. Yes, ma'am. She's only not with me. It's a blessing.